Basic English conversation. Asking about a job.
Anna, long time no see.
Oh my god, Andy! Yes, a long time indeed.
How have you been all this time?
I've been great. I actually got my dream job, so I can't wish for more.
Let me guess, teaching, is it?
Wow, how did you know?
I think you told me that once.
And you can still remember? That's amazing.
Haha, so which grades are you teaching?
I mainly teach first graders, but I am thinking of taking on some second grade students as well.
Why do you like teaching kids that small? Aren't they a handful?
They can be quite energetic, but that really encourages me to be active myself too, you know?
Haha, interesting. I could never do something like that. I'm too lazy.
What about you? What do you do?
I'm not working right now, but I used to be an accountant.
If you don't mind me asking, why did you quit?
It was boring being in office 8 hours a day, you know?
I see.
But don't worry, I'm just taking some time for myself, and then I'll start looking for a job again.
I'm sure you'll find one you love, Andy.
Thank you, I appreciate it. What are you doing, Laura?
I'm writing.
Writing? Why are you always writing?
Oh, didn't I tell you? I'm pursuing a career in journalism.
You're a journalist? How come I didn't know about this?
I haven't told anyone about it yet.
Why not?
I'm just trying it out, you know?
That's cool.
Yeah, I can always do something different later if I want to.
That's true. Who are you working for right now?
Just a small tabloid. Hopefully, I'll be able to work for a fashion magazine next year.
Oh yeah, I remember you've always been interested in fashion.
Yes, fashion and writing.
Then working for a fashion magazine is the perfect job for you.
I think so. I just don't know if I'm any good.
Nah, don't worry. I believe in you.
Thank you, Todd.
Let me know when you publish any articles, alright? I'll support your work.
That's so nice of you.